The Kapalua Village is another stepping stone for those who lost everything in last year's Lahaina wildfire. Alina Lee takes us to this new housing development.
Today marked an important milestone in recovery after the Lahaina wildfires. 1/3 of Kapalua-based employees who lost their homes will soon have a sense of stability and normalcy once they are able to move into these newly built modular homes, the first privately funded temporary housing project on Maui.
We cried all night. We didn't quite know, but we had an idea that our house burned that night, but we went back the next day just to see, and yeah, there was nothing left.
Pierce was among 37 other Kapalua-based employees affected by the wildfires that destroyed Lahaina.
There's nothing you can do at that point, but there's so much else to do as far as helping the community find food, finding people that need shelter.
Every month that goes on where people don't have transitional housing, it increases the probability they'll have to leave for the mainland, and we didn't want that.
1 year later, hope is something he and his wife can finally welcome home.
And we just need it. We just need it.
The Kapalua Village, spearheaded by Uniqlo's founder and CEO Tadashi Yanai, supplies a critical need for workforce housing, according to officials.
It would be much easier just to leave, but having this in the horizon, knowing that it was going to be completed and quickly, it helps so many of us be able to stay here, which is super important. None of our employees have left.
50 temporary housing units are being supplied by Japan's largest home builder, Daiwa House Group. The units will be fully furnished.
The only thing I found was a spaghetti colander that was left, so I kept it as a memento, I guess. Yeah. But I don't know where I'll put it, but it'll remind me of that day, I guess.
Officials say strength lies in the ability to come together. This project a testament to that strength. About 20 homes have already been built since the start of the project back in February. The rest will be completed sometime in September. Alina Lee, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.